These videos you're watching right now were created with Seedance 2.0 and Cling. The best part is that we can now create videos like UGC content, product ads, motion effect videos, or cinematic movie-style clips using just a few simple prompts. In this video, we'll learn how to generate these types of videos using Claude and Higgsfield MCP with simple prompts.
Okay, so hot bite spicy noodles. I've been making these every single day and I genuinely don't feel bad about it. 3 minutes, 2x spicier than you expect, and it just hits different at lunch. It's hot, but
Alright,
so spicy.
let's get started. Let's turn Claude into a creative production assistant by linking it with Higgsfield MCP. There are several agentic platforms you can use for this setup, such as Claude Code, Cursor, OpenClaw, or Hermes. In this walkthrough, we'll work with Claude because it's simple to use, widely adopted, and works well for creative automation. Once Higgsfield is connected, Claude is no longer just a chatbot. It becomes a command center where you can describe an idea, shape a scene, write prompts, and generate cinematic visuals or videos from the same conversation. To begin, install and open the Claude desktop app, or access the web version of Claude through your browser. Before connecting anything, confirm that you are signed in to both accounts, Claude and Higgsfield. This is important because any scripts, images, or videos you create will depend on the access and plan limits of those services. Inside Claude, open Settings and choose the Connectors section. This is where Claude allows you to attach external MCP tools and services. Now select Add Custom Connector. A small setup window will appear. Give your connector a clear name such as Higgsfield so it is easy to recognize later. Then open the Higgsfield MCP page, copy the server URL, and paste it into Claude's connector setup box. Click Add to save the connector. Alright, we can now see a list of available tools directly inside Claude, shown by tool name. Claude can invoke the appropriate Higgsfield function, such as video generation, image generation, dubbing, and more. The powerful part is that you don't need to manually choose which tool to run. Claude can automatically determine the right tool based on your request and execute the appropriate actions behind the scenes. Now let's switch to Always Allow mode, so Claude can access these Higgsfield MCP tools without requiring manual confirmation for every request. From this point on, Claude becomes more than a chat assistant. You can use it as a creative automation hub to build almost anything. Generate ideas, design workflows, write scripts, plan content, develop visual concepts, and send media tasks through Higgsfield to create cinematic images and videos. Now that Claude is wired into Higgsfield, it can already generate images and video on command, but we can take this much further. Instead of steering every render by hand, we can hand Claude a skill, a reusable playbook that teaches it an entire production workflow. Open the Customize panel, go to Skills, and choose Upload a skill to add one you've prepared. We've already prepared a motion effects skill for designing and generating video ads with motion effects. In case you don't have it yet, we've placed this skill below the video so you can access it instantly. Think of it as a creative director built into Claude. It turns a single logo, product photo, or short brief into a finished animated promo. And it does the thinking in between. Under the hood, it follows a strict recipe. Lock the brand identity to one approved keyframe, gate every expensive step behind your approval, and check costs before it ever spends a credit. Let's put it to work. To start, I just ask it for a motion effect. Claude will first read through the skill to fully understand it before doing anything else. Notice it doesn't fire off a random render. Instead, it interviews me first, one tap at a time. Am I bringing my own brand or using its demo concept? How long should the promo be? Which format? I choose my own product, 15 seconds, and a 9:16 vertical for Reels and TikTok. In a few taps, the brief is locked, and Claude already knows the shape of the final video. Next, it asks for the hero asset itself, because the whole pipeline is built around your real product, not a description of it. It opens an upload widget right inside the chat. Since the Higgsfield tools can't see chat attachments, so the asset goes through here. I drop in a photo of a chocolate bar called Cocova. Once the image is uploaded to Higgsfield, the input photo is locked in as the identity source for every shot, ensuring a consistent look throughout. From there, we can choose a vibe that best fits the promo. Before anything pricey runs, it checks my credit balance, so cost never surprises me. Then, following the next step in the skill, Claude and Higgsfield will create the storyboard prompt and begin generating the corresponding storyboard image, including multiple product shots within a single frame. Here it's laying out a 6-beat luxury storyboard based on the previous input photo. Once that's done, we'll see multiple image shots and product angles, which will help us generate a more dynamic and polished video promo ad with cinematic motion effects. Alright, we now have a storyboard image that captures the overall vibe, style, and camera angles for each shot. Claude has also prepared a plan for crafting prompts for these scenes. If the storyboard looks perfect and doesn't need any revisions, simply approve it to begin generating the video from the storyboard. Once I approve it, Claude calls Higgsfield to generate the video. The skill automatically selects the Seedance 2.0 model because it's a strong fit for this type of product video, and it generates a 15-second portrait video. The video follows the input storyboard and the skill instructions. It begins with a slow camera pan toward the product, soft light spreading across the surface, and tiny particles floating through the glow. The clip renders directly in the widget and pulls automatically, so there's nothing to refresh. It also remains cost-aware throughout, confirming the model and estimating the cost before committing to the final render. And here's the result. The Cocoa bar revealed in warm cinematic light, exactly matching the keyframe we locked. As you can see, the motion effects are incredible. The video starts with a slow push-in, transitions into smooth slow motion, and even includes subtle rotational camera movements followed by a seamless zoom out. Everything feels fluid and cinematic. You can also use the download button to open the video in full screen mode and view it in greater detail. The final result looks like a professionally produced promotional ad, something that would typically require a significant budget, a production team, and days or even weeks of work. Now, however, we can create it simply by providing a few prompts. Pretty amazing, right? Alright, now let's continue testing with another product. To see how Claude with the Higsfield MCP can handle and create multiple types of video motion effects from any product input. Same skill, a completely different product. Puff Nova, a bold, spicy snack. Again, we call the motion effects skill using a / command. Then simply drag and drop a product image into Claude's chat box. Add a simple prompt like create a video motion effect for me. This time the brief calls for high energy instead of quiet luxury. Following the motion effects skill, Higgsfield generates another storyboard image that includes different vibes, camera angles, logo shots, and even detailed zoom-in effects that highlight the internal components of the product. Now that the storyboard looks good, let's approve it so Higgsfield can begin generating the video. In just a short time, we'll have the final video ad ready, complete with a fresh set of creative motion effects that bring the product to life. And the skill adapts the entire treatment to match. A quick, punchy push-in, fast cuts with appetizing detail. It runs the same disciplined pipeline, confirm cost, generate from the locked bag, deliver in every format, but the creative direction is tuned to the brand. The Puff Nova promo comes back full of energy, and now I get choices. Ship it, and it upscales to 4K, and cuts whatever formats I want. Alright, we've already tested with food products. Now let's try a lifestyle product, such as a sneaker, to see what kind of motion effect video it can create. Again, the workflow is exactly the same as the previous two products. Since we're using the same skill, there are no extra steps. The process focuses on analyzing the original product details, automatically creating a storyboard image with multiple styles and camera angles, and then letting us review and approve the storyboard before generating the final motion video. In a bit, we'll be able to see the output video with some awesome motion effects. Alright, once again, we have product ads created in just a short amount of time, featuring beautiful, smooth, and visually impressive motion effects. Awesome! And that's with just a single motion effects skill, combined with Claude and the Higgsfield MCP, allowing you to create product promotional videos in no time. With just one prompt and one click, you can generate a complete finished video. Now let's take this even further. We're going to add a new filmmaking skill that can generate cinematic, Hollywood-style videos with stunning action sequences and blockbuster-level visuals. Just like we did with the motion effects skill, we'll simply drag and drop it into the video production skill package that I've prepared for you. This skill template includes multiple steps designed to create a cinematic movie scene. After adding the video production skill to Claude, we can invoke it and enter a prompt describing the cinematic scene we want to create. Once we submit the prompt, Claude follows the skill workflow and automatically generates both the story concept and the image prompts for the starting frames. Depending on the user's prompt, the model will decide whether to use Kling or Seedance 2.0 for video generation. In this example, Claude chooses the Kling model and generates 2 start frame images for us to select from. Now simply review the 2 generated images and tell Claude which one you'd like to use as the starting frame for the next video generation task. After we choose one of the start frame images, Claude automatically connects to the Higgsfield MCP and calls the video generation tool using Kling 3.0, with the selected image serving as the start frame. Higgsfield then begins generating the final video. The process usually takes a few minutes, so we'll need to wait for the finished result. Alright, let's watch the final video. That is the real power of Higgsfield MCP. It turns Claude from a chat assistant into a creative production operator, one that can call Higgsfield tools directly, generate keyframes, render videos, check model limits, pre-flight costs, upscale results, and reframe assets without leaving the conversation. And because everything runs through MCP, the workflow becomes repeatable. You are not just prompting one image or one video. You are building a controlled production system, approved keyframes, cost gates, model-aware rendering, and reusable skills for ads, social content, and cinematic shots. Higgsfield MCP is what connects the creative idea to the actual production pipeline and makes Claude the command center for it. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.